Hi kids, I warmly welcome KG2 kids to our English class. Okay children, today we are going to learn a new letter and a new sound. We'll see what it is. Here see children, who has come to our class today? Yes, a bunny has come. I think he is ready to learn with you. Okay, then tell me what is the letter in yellow color? Yes, it is simple D. What is the letter? Simple D. And you can see another letter in red color. Do you know what is that letter? Very good. Capital D. What is the letter? Capital D. Now say again. Simple D. Capital D. Okay, very good. Right, children. Now you know the letter. Then we'll learn the sound of this letter. What is the letter? The letter is D. Then the letter D gives D sound. Tell me the sound. D. Say again. D. Okay, then we'll see what are the pictures beginning with D sound. Let's see then. These are the pictures beginning with D sound. Can you name the first picture? Yes, dog. What is the first picture? Dog. Then look at the other picture. What is that? Yes, it is a drum. Now, shall we name them again? Okay. Then say after teacher, the dog, the dog, the drum. Say again, the drum. Right. Now, we'll see more pictures beginning with the sound. Can you see a picture here? What is that? Yes, doll. What is the picture? Doll. And you can see another picture in yellow color. Tell me what it is. A picture of a duck. What is that? Duck. And you can see another picture at the corner. What is that? Desk. Say again. Desk. Now tell me what is the beginning sound of these pictures? The sound. Tell me again. The doll, the duck, the desk. Good children. Now you can see the animals here. One is running and the other one is swimming. Yes. So tell me who is running there? Deer. And who is swimming there? Dolphin. Yes. Now, when we say their names, deer and dolphin, the beginning sound is D. Okay. Now say after teacher, the deer, the deer, the dolphin. Say again, the dolphin. Okay, children. I know children, you all like to eat them. Tell me what is this? Yes, donuts. Right. Say again. The donuts. Say again. The donuts. Right. Now you know the pictures beginning with the sound. Okay children. Next you have to learn how to write simple D and capital D. Okay. Okay children, let's write simple D and capital D. First I will teach you how to write simple D. First you have to draw a curved line. Okay. Then you go up in a vertical line and come down in the same line. Okay. What is this letter? Simple D. Right. Now I'll teach you how to write capital D. First you have to draw a straight line up to down. Straight line up to down. Then from the starting point you have to draw a curved line up to down. Did you get it? I think it is clear for you and you know how to write simple D and capital D. Okay, children. Now you learned how to write simple D and capital D. Then before you go to your books, you can do some extra activities as I shown here. Okay, children, we'll see what are they. First one is you can cut some colorful balls and paste on letter D. Or you can make some clay balls, then only you can paste on letter D. After that, you can go to your books and write alone. Okay, children? Then tell me, children, what you have to do here? Yes, you have to color the picture. What is the picture you have to color there? A picture of a dog. Then after you have to trace the letter. What is the letter you have to trace there? Simple D. Then go to the other activity sheet. Right. What is the letter you have to trace there? Capital D. Then you have to trace simple D and capital D by following the correct formation. Okay. Next one is a coloring activity. We'll see what you have to do there. Tell me, what are the pictures you have to color there? Yes, you have to color only the pictures beginning with the letter D. Okay, do you know what are the pictures beginning with the letter D? Tell me then. Yes, very good. Dog, door, correct. Drum and the duck. Are you going to color the fish and the crocodile? No, they are not beginning with the letter D. So we are not coloring those two pictures. Then you can continue your work. Okay, children? This is the end of our lesson. Hope you enjoyed and learned well. Thank you, children. Bye.